This is a Delano King Suite. When you enter the room, immediately to the left is a half bath. Stepping into the living area, there's a desk with power outlets, USB ports, as well as connections for the TV. And then have the TV, chair, sofa, coffee table. Over here you have a wet bar with a coffee maker and a honor bar. The mini bar is fully stocked. If you move any of the items, it'll charge you. Come into the separate bedroom area with a king bed. You have another TV over here. You have a closet with a robe, ironing board. Closet on the other side has more storage and the safe. Also a chair over here with a little reading light. Main bathroom, you have a TV, dual sink, a large tub, as well as a large shower. And here is the water closet. You have windows in both the bedroom and the living room. I have a view of the Luxor and the airport, and then the Mandalay Bay Tower.